Hi everyone, my name is Öner from Istanbul. I am 35 years old. Actually, I'm an engineer. But for past 10 years, I worked as a designer, animator and game developer. I think I have enough experience to share, especially game design and architectural visualization. That's why I created my YouTube channel. 3 months ago, I uploaded my first video. Now I have 1500 subscribers. Thank you guys for your all supports to me. In my channel, there are a lot of architectural visualization tutorials. Now I start with 3D Studio Max, Corona and Photoshop tutorials. But in the future, I'm planning to create Unity 3D and Unreal Engine 4 tutorials about game design. This is my first vlog. If you wanna see more vlogs like this, please give a comment. Finally, I have to say, don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell. Bye for now.